Okay, here I basically did this mega select from Target. I already opened up 40 boxes, so um, basically I show those what I got out of the first 4 boxes. Then I will do the other. So the first 4 boxes, okay, got a Julian Phillips purple rookie, number to 99, I believe. A Scotty Barnes, green and white, purple, Prizm, rookie. Jimmy Jazzquez, silver Prizm, select. Not gonna say them all. Another rookie, silver select. Jordan Hawkins, premier rookie, select. A Revolutions, green Prizm, select. Anthony Black. Anthony Black, rookie Revolutions, silver Prizm. A Julius Strawder, Revolution insert. Cam Whitmore, Prizm, blue, premier. Brandon Miller, Prizm. Concourse. Kobe Brown, Concourse Prizm, rookie. Chris Murray, Concourse Prizm, rookie. Azar Thomas, Cracked Ice Red, rookie, Prizm. Chris Livingston. Scoot Henderson, Prizm Premier, Cracked Ice. Jordan Miller, Premier, Prizm Cracked Ice, select. Jalen Pickett, Cracked Ice, Premier, select. Scoot Henderson, Cracked Ice, rookie. Kayonte George, Concourse rookie, Cracked Ice. Derek Lively, the second, Cracked Ice, rookie, Concourse. Jarice Walker. Jalen Hood, Shipnino, Cracked Ice. Baylor Kalalabi, rookie. Eman Thomas. Anthony Black, Cracked Ice, contours. Then I also pulled this Amir Coffee, I guess a tie-dye, Cracked Ice, and it's number 2425. Auto. Tyrese Halliburton, purple. Courtside, Cracked Ice, number to 99. Kevin Durant, Concourse, Cracked Ice, number to 99. Dante Murray, green, white, and purple. Prizm, Bradley Beal, green, white, and purple. Prizm, Lodestar, Joker, select certified, Damian Lillard. I guess it's a Thunder. Thunder Lane, Jason Tatum. Mezzanine, Demise Sabonis. There's also a Mezzanine. Yes. Carl Anthony Towns. Jalen Brunson, cracked ice. Dame Lillard, Premier cracked ice. Well, courtside cracked ice. Alfred Segui, courtside cracked ice. LaMelo Ball, Premier cracked ice. DeAndre Fox, Premier cracked ice. Mikal Bridges, Premier cracked ice. Devin Vassell, Premier cracked ice. I got another Jokic. Jokic, cracked ice. Concourse. Chet Holmgren, cracked ice. Kevin Durant, cracked ice. Jalen Green, cracked ice. Jordan Clarkson, cracked ice. DeAndre Ayton, cracked ice. Jimmy Butler, cracked ice. Then here goes there's some regular Prizms. Ja Morant, Prizm. Giannis, Prizm. Kawhi Leonard, Prizm. Ken Cunningham, Prizm. Paul George, Prizm. James Harden, Prizm. Bradley Beal, Prizm. And Shaden Sharp, Prizm. And that was out of 4 boxes. So out of each box, I did get like a number card out of my almost. So let me open up this one. My voice might sound a little winded. I just had a triple hernia surgery on Friday, but God is good. So I'm a little winded, but I wanted to go on and do this video, so. Whew. For those that are watching this video, I do have a reveal coming of some PSA cards. And one of them came out of Bowman University. Most of the cards came from Bowman University. Retail 40 box blaster case. Beautiful cards. Made really good money on that. So. Alrighty, here we go. Rookie, Prizm, McSee, Jordan Poole, rookie Jalen Hood. Okay. Jalen Brunson. Prizm, Brandon Miller. What is this one? Let's turn to the back. Oh man, Mezzanine, which is very hard to get. Brandon Miller Mezzanine. Nice. Then also got a Jalen Green. Quite nice. Wow. Brandon Miller. The Mezzanine are the hardest to pull. They're the highest numbers. Brandon Miller regular Prizm. Brandon Miller Select Concourse. Then a Kevin Durant. Quite nice. And out of the first 4 boxes, I only pulled a total of 1 Victor Wembanyama. But other than that, the total cost retail for all the boxes I bought, all the 6 boxes, wasn't really that bad. So it was like less than $400 with tax. Okay, there go with Jalen Hood, rookie, Prizm, Concourse. Victor Wembanyama. Wow. Just look at Victor Wembanyama. Cracked ice. Oh man. Bam. Prizm. Yeah, so that's the second out of 5 boxes. I know everyone say, I ain't pulled no elephants and none of those other great ones. Luka, regular, another Brandon Miller rookie. Jordan Hawkins, Revolution. Prizm, select Prizm green. And a select cracked ice Stephen Curry, Concourse. So as you see, they're beautiful cards, and for right around $60, a little more a box. The Target ones have been doing good for me. Rookie Saja Benzicoop, Kawhi Leonard. Okay. Jordan Hawkins, Prizm, green, white, and purple. Well, yeah, Premier, and then you got Anthony Davis, cracked ice. Giannis, Bradley Beal, Jarice Walker. That's normally a mezzanine. Yeah, mezzanine, Jarice Walker, rookie. Marcus Sasser, cracked ice, Concourse rookie. Got Jokic on the back, but anyway. Rookie Chris Murray, James Harden, courtside. Keyonte George, rookie, Concourse, Prizm, select Prizm. On the back, cracked ice and Nikola Jokic. Okay, Danny Leonard. Okay. A silver Prizm of Brandon Ingram. And Maya Thompson, rookie, cracked ice. Oh man, so that box paid for both boxes just by hitting that window. Alrighty, here we go. I didn't get no number cards. I did hit the Wemby, so I would take that over a number card any day. Julius Randle. Okay, Desmond Bain looked like a Prizm. Yeah. Chris Murray. Revolution insert. Then a Jimmy Butler, cracked ice. So far so good. That was the first box. Will be at CSA show June the 21st. We'll have some nice stuff. So if you want some nice stuff and that you can't find anywhere else, come to Sable 723 and hopefully we can make a deal. But if not, it's fine too. Yeah. This is my hobby slash try to get some of my money back. Alrighty. Come on, need another Victor. Oh man. Like how everybody be saying, oh, I got a Victor this, Victor that. Yeah, whatever. Show it if you got it. Okay, Mikal Bridges, Mezzanine. Silver, Joel Embiid. Oh man. Premier. Prizm. And then look at that. Ice Jokic. Purple. Cracked ice. Man. The way he's playing right now, even though I'm with one of the Timberwolves and Anthony Edwards, Jokic is one amazing player. He's basically seemed unstoppable. And this card is numbered to 99. Let's see, 7 of 99. All right, yay. So already I got a card number 99. It was Nikola Jokic purple. Ja Morant, Thunder. Lane. DeJounte Murray. Okay. You know, I'm not as good as everybody else trying to move the cards around, but oh well. Life goes on. Jamie Jacquez Jr. rookie. Ben Shepherd rookie. De'Aaron Fox Premier. And then last but not least, Julius Randle, cracked ice. Andre Jackson Jr. looked like a Prizm. Yeah, Prizm Premier. Cameron Thompson, cracked ice. So as you can see, in the Target boxes, you do get a lot of Prizm just because you get all the cracked ice red. And you definitely have to look on the back because some of these things is hard to tell if they're a Prizm or not. Julian Phillips, rookie. Ja Morant, Premier. And then a Tyrese Maxey, Premier, cracked ice. Monte Bates, rookie. Tyrese Halliburton. Cameron Thompson. Courtside Prizm. And then Chris Murray, rookie, cracked ice. Mellow Ball, DeQuay Whitehead, Kobe Jones, Silver, Revolution, Insert Select, Giannis Red, cracked ice. Alrighty. So out of 6 boxes, I got a total of 1 auto, which is good. I got at least 4 or 5 number cards, which was good. And I got a red cracked ice of Victor. Trace Jackson Davis, Anthony Edwards, regular card. Kobe Jones, Prizm. Concourse. And lastly, Kawhi Leonard, crack ice. All right, come on. Let me hit some big. All right. That's why I was glad when I hit the Jokic, because Jokic at least should be $10. Chris Porzingis. Brandon Podziemski, rookie. Jimmy Butler, courtside. Premier. Saja Vince Cole, cracked ice rookie. All right, last card. 6 boxes of breaks. I also got some blasters coming. All right. Pascal Siakam, Indiana. Devin Van Zyl. Jalen Pickett. Prizm. Concourse rookie. And got a Luka cracked ice. So the cracked ice are very beautiful. Thanks and God bless. Thanks for watching. I will have a 40 card reveal from my PSA. And it's quite a bit of Caitlin Clark from a case of 40 retail that I sent off. And didn't do nothing special too to try to get the grades. I know a lot of people say, oh, you need to wipe them down, this and that. That might help, but quite a few of these cards are slightly off-center when you get them. If I see a smudge with the naked eye, normally I wipe it off. And so far, so good. For the newer stuff, I have been doing good with the PSA. Now, with some of the older stuff, I get hammered. It says it's miscut. Some of the cards was cut that way with the round corners, but, you know, they just say miscut. I just think for some cards, they don't know how to grade them right. But overall, that's the hand I'm dealt. All right. Thanks. God bless. Have a great week. Bye-bye.